Yep, you can see where I'm headed for. This is Resurrection Hill. But this time, I'm not going to make a video about going up. I am going to make a video about going down every single one of those. I'm done with the excuses. I'm done with chickening out. I'm just going to do it. It's plain and simple, just like that. So, come along for the ride. It should be fun. And I'm not going to really show going up, so I'll just show this one. All the rest will just be going down. Whew. All right. One down, good to go. And you might want to hang around to the end of the video. There's going to be a bonus right at the end. You just have to wait and see what it is. All right, let's do the one to the left here. Oh, just relax. Come on. Wow, it's steep right here. It just drops off. Woo! All right, 2 down. Let's keep going. All right, we got to go to the one to the right there. So it's way off camber. Woo! Rear tire started kicking out. Yeah, I can't believe how much control I have of the rear brake. I didn't think I'd ever be able to kind of relearn using the rear brake, but I did. I'm surprised how quickly I picked it back up. Because you remember, I never used the rear brake for many months or years. Just the front. Don't do that anymore. Wow, it is really hard to figure out which one you just came up. It's this one. All right, let's go down. Oh, I can't tell you how good practice this is for me. Yeah, this is such good practice. And it's not like I don't have the skill to do it. It all comes down to that confidence and just that getting rid of that doubt really helps. All right, I think we got to go around the backside, and then we'll go up and go down those. So I think I only have 3 left. These are the 3 on the backside. There's this one in the middle, and then the one on the left there. These are by far the rockiest, the gnarliest ones here. Let's just go. Ooh. And probably the loosest. Come on, look up. Woo! All right. Oh yeah. I am sliding around because I'm going way too slow. There, pick up the speed. Yes, I could see how it is easier once you pick up the speed. You're not on the verge of locking up and skidding and sliding all over the place. Much easier. Wow. Come on, I gotta do this one. I have to do this. Yes, I have to. Just relax. Sorry for the breathing, but It does kind of relax me. Woo! There you go! I did it! I did them all. I went down every single one. And I'm actually happy to say that really wasn't that big a deal. Wow. That is cool. And if you stuck around this long, I'm going to give you my bonus. It looks like there's a trail that's going right up there. It's not a trail, but it is. It looks like it used to be one that somebody started to use and now nobody uses it. I'm going to try that one. We're just going to blaze a trail here. Oh, maybe not. Wow, almost ate it. Oh, nope. Darn. I almost ate it, had a dab to save the bike, and then just lost momentum, and this got some very big sized boulders in it. No wonder no one's going this way. Well, do I turn around or should I just keep going? I want to keep going. Come on. I started digging in, making a hole. Well, I guess this bonus round didn't quite work out as I thought it was gonna. Those two big boulders are right in my way. I know once I hit them, or once the rear wheel hits them, it's gonna spin and sputter. But there's no other way up. Digging in. I don't want to dig in. Oh, there's a rock right there. All right, let's see if that works. Woo! No. I'm so close. Almost dropped the bike. But I think I can make it from here. I'm just not going to give up here. Oop. There's no way I'm giving up. Oh, I'm much better if I'm on the bike. I don't do so well when I'm off the bike trying to get up stuff like this. That's okay. Yeah. Yeah, my hip hurts. Sorry. How am I going to get down this? Yeah, I'm sure that looks flat, but it's a huge drop off. It's at least 3 feet and it's almost vertical. Whew. And they're losing the front. Come on, rear, drop down. Woo! All right. Woo! Well, if you stuck around, you got your money's worth with the bonus. That's for sure. All right. I think I need a break. And then I'm just going to rip across the desert here. Some nice, fun, fast trails. I've been doing slow technical trails all morning. Whew, it's wearing me out. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. As usual, this is Colin. I'll see you guys later.